Hello friends! Today I'm going to do a video. Guess what? Today I'm going to inspire you about home garden. Friends, you will be inspired about this video and I'm sure you'll learn a lot. And of course, I'm sure that you'll at least plant a vegetable in your garden. So, these days, there is a scarcity about food in the whole world. So, you can plant your own vegetables and fruits and enjoy a healthy meal. So, come on, let's see this garden. So, friends, this is our first stop. This is our first vegetable. It is pumpkin. Pumpkin is very healthy. You can make a delicious soup out of pumpkin. Come along. What's next? Oh, lemongrass. You can use lemongrass to put mosquitoes away. Come on. Here we have tomato. I know most of y'all like tomato. Some of it is ripe. Can you see tomato? You can put it to salads and make it tasty. Ooh, see, it's a ripe tomato over here. Ooh. And here is my friend, the scarecrow. So the scarecrow is here to protect a paddy field. When these naughty little birds come and try to eat the paddy seeds away, the scarecrow scares them and then they go away. And when this paddy is big and strong, farmers cut it and they put it to the paddy storage. It is called vegetables in Sinhala. When they put it to the paddy, they have to when this paddy has to come out and grow. That our farmers cut it, take it, put it inside this vegetables to store it. So next one. Oh, can you see over there? It is black pepper. Nice, right? You all eat pepper? This is the plant. So you can find a pepper seed and plant it too. Then, what do we have? Oh, cinnamon. It's kurudu in Sinhala. And you can put it to a lot of things. Oh, and here, I love this fruit. It is pineapple. You also try that. Then we have curry leaves over here. That's called karapincha. And from over here, we have mint plant with a minty smell. And all of y'all like beetroot? Well, I like beetroot, so you can plant beetroot too. Oh, and here we have the compost area. Friends, if you ever peel a banana, put it to the compost area. Make a small space for the compost area and you get very nice fertilizer of your own. So, peel a banana, put the peel into the compost area. Take a crushed paper if it's not needed, put it to the compost area. Peel an onion, put it to the compost area. So, likewise, you can make a big compost area and have a healthy garden. Then we have okra plants. over this side, we have turmeric. Turmeric is very expensive now. So you can plant your own turmeric too. See how nicely this is grown? Because they made their own compost. They put it here. And now this turmeric is very nicely grown. So you also make it like that. Then I have my favorite vegetable. It is carrot. You can make carrot in your garden too. And then we have cabbage. See how beautifully cabbage is made? You can make a salad out of cabbage. See? Then we have bell pepper over there. Can you see? You can make salads out of bell pepper too. It's very nice. Then friends, over here we have okra plants. Can you see the top? They have it. Can you see the top? They have okra plants. Nicely grown, isn't it? And here we have winged beans. And over here we have the long beans. Can you see long beans? Nicely grown, isn't it? And over there we have papaya. Isn't it nice? We have a beautiful place like this. And over here is a very tasty food. What is this? This is corn. I love corn. And over here, it's kind of my favorite leaf. This is gotu-kola. You can make a tasty gotu-kola salad out of this. Ask your mom. And here we have a hydroponic system. See that clearly? You can make it one of that too. We have more tomatoes over here. Come on. We have more to see. And here we have spinach. And kangkong. You can throw a kangkong piece out of the window, out of your house, and automatically it grows. So you can plant kangkong here too. Then friends, we have snake guard. See how long it is? It's wrapped with a polythene, so no dirt or nobody can touch this and it can't be dirty. And let's see what else we have. Oh, we have chili. You can make chili very easily. Just put the seeds, plant it, and water it each day. So friends, now that you saw this whole garden, you also can plant at least one. So friends, this is not my garden, but I saw this and I think you are inspired by this big garden. I hope you will plant your own fruits and vegetables and eat a healthy meal every day. Bye! If you like my videos, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Bye!